Winter Garden! And it's time. Wake up, kids! Wake up! Oh, Miss Strawberry Shortcake, wake up!
I'm awake.
Hello? Wake up and make your bed. Wake up, wake up. Uh-oh. Where's Princess Amber? And Princess Sophia? Where are they?
I think they're in the blanket. Yes, we're here. And we're just playing house.
And girls, you haven't slept at all?
No, I wasn't sleepy.
Okay, now that everybody is here, it's time to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's good. Now it's time to go and freshen up. Let's go.
Coming! Kanishka, help me. Can't reach. Oh.
Sure, Sky. I can help you out.
It hurts. Ow.
Oh, Strawberry Shortcake. Do you need some help?
Yes, please. And I am going to put some makeup.
I see that everybody is washed up.
Yes, absolutely. I'm ready to play now.
Well, today we're going to play hide and seek in a very beautiful castle.
Whoa, I love hide and seek. Let's go play.
Oh, Princess Sophia, Princess Amber, everybody, let's go. Well, okay, everyone, go hide. I will count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3,
Okay. I'm going. This way. And I don't think anyone will find me here.
Ready or not, here I come. Well, they all are hidden. Can you guys find the princess? I found the first one.
Yeah, it's me.
Okay, 1 down, 4 more to go. Sky, is that you?
Yeah, you found me. Oh, I didn't hide well. Shh, Princess Amber, don't move. I just want to find a good place to hide.
Owlet, I found you. Come out.
Amber, that's all your fault. What? Oh, sorry. It was an accident.
Here you're, Amber. Now, 4 people done, 1 more to go. So, Princess Sophia, let's find her.
Sophia, here you are.
See, Princess Amber and Princess Sophia, you should have slept when you had the time.
Yeah, I haven't slept at all. Sorry, it was an accident.
All of you, tidy up. Meanwhile, I'll go and make some delicious food for you. So you'll sort them by color. Red here, and yellow goes here.
Okay, I'll do it. It's very easy. So here goes blue. Here's another red. Here's some more. How do I look? Oh. I'm very hungry. Let's go to Kanishka. Let's see what she has made for us.
Today, for the girls, let's make some delicious cutlets. Now we got 3, 4, and 5. We're done.
It smells delicious.
Kids, come on up. Okay then, kids. Bon appetit. Enjoy your food.
Tasty.
I'm glad you like it, girls. Enjoy. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!